Hello everybody, I'm going to show you now how to change an hard disk in a MacBook Pro late 2011. And basically I have detached the pin here of the battery in order not to let battery giving some power to the circuits. And I have bought this from Amazon, a crucial SSD solid-state drive, 2.5 inch, and this is very good, they said. I have found an online guide in order to, with Command R, you restart your MacBook, and then you copy basically the data from the old hard drive to the one the new one. And then I detached the four Torx from here, from the old one. That was a Toshiba 500 gigabyte, 512 I think. Basically I detach with the professional tool like this, because I don't have a Torx that is so small. And then I'm going now to insert these pins back into the new hard drive, and to insert again the battery, the pin battery, and that's it. And now I basically have changed as well this RAM to 8 gigabyte, is a Timetech. And basically in order to detach, you need to push here and it is coming out. You pick it up the first one like this, and then you have the second one there. So I inserted this 8 plus 8, 16 gigabytes in this old MacBook Pro. He had as well a problem, issue with the graphic card. That is not an issue with the graphic card really, but is a capacitor below here. And basically what I have done, instead of detaching all the screw around here and the various stuff like that, basically I heat with a hair dryer. Yes, you heard it. Here I detach this one first, and then the hard drive. I heat this area, flowing the air in this direction, and basically below this area there is a capacitor that is faulty capacitor, and basically heating this area, the MacBook Pro has a new life now. And what I have done more, because he had some errors, maybe on the hard drive, I switch it on with Command S, with a single user mode, and that's it. Basically now he has the GFX software in order to switch at the beginning to the Intel graphic card. Basically in the MacBook there are two graphic cards, and if you have a graphic card that is the second one, more powerful than the internal, it switches all the time. So when you switch it on to this graphic card, in order to use the internal graphic card that is not using the faulty capacitor, you have to install a software that it is a GFX, I think, graphic card. In another video I will show you. And this one at the beginning is switch it automatically on the internal graphic card that is not faulty, that is not using the faulty capacitor. So basically, if you have a MacBook Pro late 2011 that you want to take it to a new life, you have to install a heat by a hair dryer 1600 watt this area for 7 minutes. It's going to be very very hot then, so I detached first the battery and the hard drive. If you want to detach the RAM as well, it's better. Then what I have done, I have bought in Amazon these two Timetech 8 plus 8 gigabyte of RAM, as well as if they told me when I bought in 2011 that it can support just 4 plus 4, a total of 8 gigabyte. But this is not true. And the 8 plus 8 is perfectly running now. Then what I have done, I have bought a Crucial SSD solid state drive, and now I'm going to replace it. With the procedure online that you find on the Crucial website, you can find how to install a SSD drive, but it's basically what? It's basically Command R. You reboot the system with Command R, and is going to create a new bootable disk, and is basically copying, opening the disk utilities, is basically copying the first partition into a second partition that you have created here in the new one. And then all the data are here now as well as in the old one. So I'm ready to attach this one to the Mac and see if it is working. Thank you for the attention. Bye-bye.
Okay, basically I have attached the hard disk, the solid state back in the place. I have attached this one, the pins here, that you can detach basically with a small movement. You touch it, you take care of this part here, this circuit. You insert the two Torx inside the position, and here as well. It is two points, and then I put it back these ones. I use these tools basically with the battery, Ninja battery, that I changed as well. You have to choose the correct one. They give you as well these two screws. One is a particular screw, this one, the red one, with the three wings, with the three parts, and this one has 4 wings basically. The red one, you can use it for changing the batteries. The three wings, let's call like that, 3 wings screws are here and here and below here, and you can use the red one. Instead, now I'm using the yellow one just to fix this. And that's it. Seems fixed to me. He has to bought as well this case in order to transfer I used to insert the new hard drive here, and in connection with the PC I use Command R, and to transfer all the data inside here. So you need as well this one. It's like £9, €9. Okay, let's see if it is working now.